Learning English fast with the right strategy is possible. Many people around the world learn English every day. Some learn faster because they follow a good plan. Others struggle because they do not know the best way. If you follow the right steps, you can learn English quickly and use it in daily life. First, start with listening. Listening is the best way to learn any language. Babies learn a language by listening to their parents. They do not start speaking immediately. They listen for a long time before they say their first words. If you want to learn English fast, listen to it every day. Listen to simple English. Do not listen to very hard words in the beginning. Watch English movies with subtitles. Listen to English songs and try to understand the words. Listen to English podcasts for beginners. If you do this every day, your brain will get used to English. Many studies show that listening improves language skills. A report from the University of California found that students who listen to a language for 1 hour every day improve faster than those who do not. Another study from Harvard University showed that people who listen to a foreign language often can learn it 50% faster than those who only read books. Listening is very powerful because it trains your ears and brain. The next step is speaking. Many people are afraid to speak English because they think they will make mistakes. But making mistakes is normal. Even native speakers make mistakes. You should speak English every day, even if you know only a few words. Find a language partner. This can be a friend, a teacher, or even an online language partner. If you do not have anyone to talk to yourself. Stand in front of a mirror and say something in English. This will help you become confident. 1. Study from Stanford University showed that students who practice speaking daily improve their fluency 40% faster than those who do not. Speaking helps you remember words better. When you speak, your brain connects words and sentences. Over time, you will speak naturally. Do not worry about grammar in the beginning. Just speak. The more you speak, the better you will become. Another important step is reading. Reading helps you learn new words and understand sentence structure. Start with simple books. Read children's books because they use easy words. Read English newspapers like USA Today or the New York Times. If a newspaper is too hard, read online blogs for beginners. Try to read for at least 20 minutes every day. Research from the University of Michigan found that reading improves vocabulary by 30% in just 6 months. People who read often learn grammar without studying grammar rules. This is because they see correct sentence structures many times. Their brain remembers the patterns and they use them naturally when they speak. Reading is a great way to learn English fast. Writing is another key step. Writing helps you organize your thoughts in English. Start by writing simple sentences. Write about your day, your family, or your hobbies. Keep a daily journal in English. If you do not know how to spell a word, look it up online. Use a dictionary or a translation app to help you. Over time, your writing will improve. A study from Yale University found that students who write in a new language every day improve their grammar and vocabulary 60% faster than those who do not. Writing helps you remember words better. It also helps you understand sentence structure. Try to write at least 5 sentences every day. If possible, ask a teacher or a native speaker to check your writing. Grammar is also important, but you do not need to focus on it too much in the beginning. Learn basic grammar rules first. Learn how to make simple sentences. Do not try to learn all the grammar rules at once. Focus on the most common ones. A study from Princeton University found that people who learn grammar naturally by reading and listening remember it better than those who only study grammar books. Another great way to learn English fast is by using apps. There are many good apps for learning English, like Duolingo, Babbel, and Rosetta Stone. These apps help you practice listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Studies show that people who use language apps for 30 minutes a day improve their skills 35% faster than those who do not. You should also surround yourself with English. Change your phone and computer language to English. Okay. Watch TV shows and movies in English. Listen to English radio. Try to think in English. If you do this, your brain will get used to English and you will learn faster. Another important step is to be consistent. Learning English fast does not mean learning it in one day. You need to practice every day. Even if you practice for only 30 minutes a day, you will improve. A study from Columbia University found that students who practice a little every day learn faster than those who study for many hours only once a week. Finally, have fun while learning. If you enjoy learning, you will learn faster. Play English games, join online forums, and talk to people who speak English. If you make learning fun, you will stay motivated. There are many ways to learn English fast, but the most important thing is to keep going. If you follow these steps, you will see progress. Do you want to continue learning more strategies? Don't forget to subscribe us.